in Flash column of 12 July 2021. It is presented to you by Law Sikho. I am Ankita Parida. Now let's proceed with this session. Assam launches scheme to provide 2.5 lakh aid to COVID widows. So, with the new chief minister appointed in Assam, Mr. Hemanta Biswa Sarma, he has launched a scheme on this Sunday wherein social and financial security would be provided to the women who have lost their husband in this COVID pandemic. And under this scheme, the chief minister will enact on the Chief Minister COVID-19 Widow Support Scheme, and based on it, he'll provide one-time support of 2.5 lakh each to the women who have become widows and are belonging to the family with an income of less than 5 lakh per annum. The state has also registered 6,159 coronavirus related deaths, including 1,347 fatalities due to comorbidities. Moving to the second news item, Hindustan Aeronautical Limited is to deliver first batch of 3 light combat helicopters to Indian Air Force. So, the Hindustan Aeronautical Limited (HAL) is gearing up to deliver the first batch of 3 light combat helicopters to the Indian Air Force once acceptance test is completed. These three light combat helicopters are part of the 15 light combat helicopters which was expected to be signed in the first quarter of 2021, and presently the army has 90 advanced light helicopters and 75 Rudra weaponized ALH helicopters in service, which are indigenously developed and designed by the Hindustan Aeronautic Limited, in addition to the 160 older Chetan and Chetak utility helicopter which are in need of urgent replacement. Moving to the next important news item, UP population bill. So, UP Chief Minister has come up with the UP proposed population control bill draft, and this draft bill also says that it shall be the duty of the government to introduce a compulsory subject for relating to population control in all secondary schools. This bill's related is relating to the population control and putting bars on some putting some population control measures, and according to the draft of the proposed population control bill, anyone violating two-child policy in Uttar Pradesh will be debarred from contesting local bodies election, from applying or getting promotion in government jobs, and also will be prohibited from receiving any kind of government subsidy. So the Uttar Pradesh State Law Commission states that the provisions are a part of the draft titled the Uttar Pradesh Population Control Stabilization and Welfare Bill 2021. Moving to the next news item, a proposed elephant reserve in Chhattisgarh. There has been a proposal for the reserve in the Korba district, and this proposal has been unanimously passed by the assembly. This reserve is named as Lemru, and it is one of the two elephant reserve planned to prevent human-animal conflict in the region, with elephant moving into Chhattisgarh from Odisha and Jharkhand. Recently, in a letter on June 26, the State Forest and Environment Department asked the Principal Chief Conservator of Forest Wildlife to make presentation for decreasing area of proposed reserve from 1,995 square kilometers to 450 square kilometers. So basically, with the increasing time, the reserve area has been decreasing from around 2,000 square kilometer to one fourth of it, that is 450 square kilometers. So based on it, this place has been declared as a forest reserve in the earliest point, and also it has been asked to the principal chief conservator to make a presentation on the reason why the area has been decreasing so rapidly. Moving to the next news item, it is about the Central Public Work Department. It celebrates 167th year of its establishment on 12 July. Central Public Works Department under the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs will celebrate 167th year of its glorious service to the nation on July 12, 2021. CPWD came into existence in 12 July 1854 as a central agency for execution of public works. However, it has now grown into a comprehensive construction management department which provides service from conception to completion and maintenance management. During the inaugural function, the technical publications were showcased and discussed, and it includes a treasure collection, ERPE modules, and Nirman Bharti, the in-house publication of CPWD and CPWD Telephone Directory 2021, which shall be released. Moving to the next news item, Samir Banerjee wins Wimbledon boys single title. So it's a proud moment for Indian American tennis player Samir Banerjee, aged 17 years, has won the Wimbledon boys singles title after defeating Victor Lilov. Please note that Samir Banerjee had ranked 19 in the world in the Junior French Open and he had crashed out in the first round. However, he has now won the Wimbledon boys single title. The last time an Indian player won a single junior Grand Slam title was when Yuki Bhambari in 2009 Australian Open. Before him, it was Leander Paes in the Wimbledon 1990 in the US Open, Ramesh Krishnan in the French Open and Wimbledon 1979, and Ramanathan Krishnan in Wimbledon 1954 had women junior single majors. Moving to the last news item of the day, country's first private LNG plant in Nagpur. Union Transport Minister Mr. Nitin Gadkari has inaugurated country's first private LNG liquefied natural gas plant in Nagpur. This initiative has been taken in order to decrease the dependency on petroleum and diesels. The central government is promoting, therefore, ethanol, electric vehicles, CNG vehicles, LPG gas vehicles as an alternative to conventional fuels. The country's first LNG facility plant has been set up by Baidyanath Ayurvedic Group at County Road near Nagpur Jabalpur Highway. So this was all for today. If you like our video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.